How long is nap time in preschool? If you're a parent or caregiver wondering how long your preschooler should be napping, you're not alone. Understanding nap times is crucial for ensuring your child gets the rest they need. Let's start with the basics. Preschoolers, typically aged 3 to 5 years, need a significant amount of sleep each day. According to experts, they require around 10 to 13 hours of sleep, including both nighttime sleep and daytime naps. For preschoolers, nap time usually consists of one nap per day. This nap is typically taken in the afternoon and can last anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. This duration allows the child enough time to rest and recharge without feeling groggy when they wake up. To give you a clearer picture, here are some general guidelines. Infants and toddlers have different nap schedules, but by the time children reach preschool age, they usually settle into a single afternoon nap. This nap can be as short as 1 hour or as long as 2 hours, depending on the child's individual needs and how well they slept the previous night. Creating a calm and peaceful environment is key to helping preschoolers fall asleep during nap time. This can involve establishing a consistent routine, such as reading a book or singing a lullaby, to signal that it's time to rest. It's also important to note that some preschoolers might not need a nap at all, especially as they get closer to the age of 5. However, even if they don't sleep, quiet time or rest periods can still be beneficial for their overall well-being. In many daycare centers, state regulations require that children have an opportunity to nap or rest without distractions. For example, in California, children in daycare must have a chance to nap or engage in quiet activities like reading or coloring. In summary, preschool nap time is generally 1 to 2 hours long, taken in the afternoon, and is an essential part of a child's daily routine to ensure they get the rest they need to grow, learn, and play.